What I wish I knew at the start of my Forex journey instead of years later. You don't need a lot of money to start, you just need the right opportunity. Forex trading can seem like a game for the rich, but it doesn't have to be. Enter the Forex Trading Challenge. It's a way to test your trading skills with minimal risk. Here's the deal. A proprietary trading firm, or prop firm, will challenge you to trade on a demo account with strict rules. If you pass, you get a funded live account. Sounds great, right? But the entry fee can be steep, ranging from $100 to $500. Now, what if I told you there's a way to start for just $2? Some smaller challenge providers give you a shot for the price of a cup of coffee. Prove your skills, and you could get a $100 funded account with a 90/10 profit split. That's 90% of the profit for you. Think it's too good to be true? Here's the thing. Paying a small fee teaches you discipline and commitment. It's not a scam. It's an opportunity to grow and earn the right to manage money. If you're serious about Forex but low on funds, this is your golden ticket. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small and prove your worth. I'm on this journey too, sharing every step, the wins, the losses, and the lessons. Subscribe, like, and follow along if you're ready to take your Forex trading to the next level, even if you're starting with just $2. Drop a comment if you've tried a prop firm or a personal challenge. Let's learn together. Remember, you don't need a lot to start, just the mindset to keep going.